Hi, here's this Anker fans. I'm going to turn on low speed and be showing factory low speed and high speed. You can see the pull chain is on bottom of the switch cap. And that's where the pull chain is supposed to be, that hole right here. And the motor could take 4 blades as well, but has all 5 blades installed. This fan has a wrong pull chain. The original pull chain is supposed to be out to 1, out to 2, to 3, out to 3, but this one is out to 1, out to 2, out to 3. And it turns from medium to low. The serial number of this fan is 0211. And this fan is made by Jay Yang. And you can see the Anker fans logo. It wobbles a little bit, and this little humming noise, and it blows okay amount of air. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.